Y'all doing today? I took my kayak out and testing out the little seat. See if it's stable. It's pretty stable. And it's going good right now. I ain't catching no fish though. I don't know what happened to it since the other day. But I'm gonna go down there and let's go check it out. Yep, well, I'm making my way into the little slough going into the swamp. I'll see how far I could go without getting stopped by any fallen trees or anything. Alright, here we go. Hopefully a snake doesn't fall on my head. Okay. Let me duck. Okay. Man, they have so many fish walking by. I think some shoe pick or garfish, one of the two. But yeah, this seat, I'm sitting up way higher. So comfortable. See? It's pretty stable still. I don't even think it took any stability. Scratching up my kayak. So quiet back here. There's so many baby shoe pick in here too. It's crazy. Well, I hit the end of the road. Tree blocking my way. One day I'd have to climb out and get over it, but I don't feel like getting wet today. So I'm gonna head back on down the other end. See if I can catch some fish. Well, I anchor myself down here and cast out this little fly, see if I can get some. Alright, I'll have y'all back when I get a fish. I got a fish, finally. Hey, let me get him in. Hey yo, little fish. That dude's beat up. Look, his back tail's like gone. Tell you what though, something's feeding on him, but I don't know what. Might have to pull out the pliers on this. Uh oh, my anchor came out. I'm drifting. I'm gonna unhook this little guy. I have to get the pliers on him, but I'm gonna try to catch another one. Got another one. Bring him in. Come here, you little guy. Stop swimming all over the place. Whoop. There he is. Another little fish. Yeah. Yeah, I got a big one. Come here. Hiya. Yeah. It's a decent size one compared to what I'm catching. Right there. Yeah. Woo! Hey yo, there's another one. There we go. Man, they're just loving this little bait. And they're fun to catch even though they're small. Because on a fly rod, you cast out along the reeds right here, and you just feel them bite like nothing. It's awesome. This is my last chance to catch a fish. So, see if I can get one. Because I gotta roll. Like, I was making a cast just now, and right when bait hit the water, and I went to pull back to cast again, and the fish just blew up on it. Come on, I want him again. It was a nice, about the size that about the third one I caught. That big sun perch. I mean, I say big enough to bite my hook. Bigger than the ones I've been catching. Come on. Last cast. Yeah. Woo! Not big, but I got him on my last cast. Yeah, baby. Well, stop hopping around. Ow, he stuck me with his barbels. Ow, with the spawn on his back. Alright, anyway, time to head in. Well, I'm heading back down the little creek, down the little ditch. Really shallow, so I gotta pick up speed, but anyway, the seat works great. Kayak still stable. I was worried about stability. Putting the seat on here. Had a good fishing day. I could have stayed and caught some more, but gotta head into the house. Getting hard to paddle. The seat also gave me some storage. I probably spent maybe 20 bucks on this seat at Walmart compared to the ones you would buy Jackson Cuda seat or something for I don't know how much. Good chunk of money, but awesome setup. Heading back. Leave comments, subscribe. See y'all later. Bye.